I suppose it doesn't really matter what kind of a filter I have today. You're just going to see right through it anyway. Um, I have a thing in my life, I like to call it the penis shaped steak syndrome. And although it sounds funny most of the time, sometimes it's not funny. Like right now, it's not very funny. It's just kind of my luck. Back in the 1980s, we went to a big old dinner and with a bunch of employees, and it was really funny. Everybody got steak and lobster. It was this really cool place, famous for that. And I got my steak was shaped like a penis, shaped like a phallus, and so everybody was making fun of it at the table and just blah blah blah. So it's been a joke that we call things. Oh, it's just my penis shaped steak, So things have a nickname. And just recently, I've just been overwhelmed, just with financial stuff and leaving my job, and it is scary to leave a job, even though it was a bad job and it was killing me. It's still scary when things kind of aren't going as good as you would have thought. And I've had a lot of penis-shaped steak luck since then. So, just here to tell you that not all days are just fine and dandy. When you look at Instagram and you see other people, you think that's their life, but sometimes it isn't.